Morning. Welcome back to my class. I feel very happy to be here once again to meet you through our online class. As I told you earlier occasions, alphabet we are having both long and short sounds. We are having 26 letters. Of the 26 letters, 5 are vowels, 21 are consonants. We are having 26 letters. Of the 26 letters, 5 are vowels, 21 are consonants. Now, how we are going to pronounce these 5 vowels in a correct way? That is very important, essential, sine qua non, ineluctable and avoidable in English. To have good English in your both lips and mind. Whenever you talk with someone else, whenever you talk with your pedagogue, whenever you talk with your correspondent or your parent, you have to talk in a way, you have to attract the people. You have to impress the people with whom you are talking. For that, if your talking should be as good as possible. Whenever you talk the things, your speech should be full of vigor and power, solid in substance, colorful in rhetorical, and thereby keep the whole world spellbound. Like this we are going to have. For this we require the phonetics. That's why I am going to teach you the first vowel sound. This is A, this is E, this is OU, I, OU, U. We are having 5 vowel sounds, A, E, I, OU, U. Of the 5, 3 things are coming under diphthongs. Double sounds, diphthongs mean I am going to teach you later. 3 sounds are diphthongs. One is pure vowel. Pure vowel with a long sound, having dots. The last one is, it can be used both vowel and consonant as well. This is a thing. The bottom is vowels. What do you mean by that? It is a speech sound that will be now abstraction while producing it. It is a speech sound that will be now abstraction while producing it. This is what you call vowel. Of the vowel, we are having 5 vowels. Of the 5 vowels, 3 are coming under diphthongs. One is pure vowels, means single sound only. That will also coming under the group of long sound, not short sound. I have given you 2 dots. And the last one is U. This can be used both vowel and consonant as well. Hope that you have understood the things in a clear and good way. Having doubts, you could call upon your friends and the teacher who knows English very well, and anybody else with whom you are having the contact. Only with whom you should have a contact, only with whom he or she talks in English in a good way. You have to create an atmosphere inside and outside the classroom in English. If I go to the class, I should not talk in Tamil. If I go to home, I should talk only with my parents in English. Whenever I talk with my friends, with whom I should talk only in English. This sort of atmosphere you should create in your mind itself. Then only you will have a good and correct and perfect pronunciation skill in English, and thereby you could impress the people with whom you are talking. As I told you earlier occasion, whenever you talk the things, your speech should be full of vigor and power, solid in substance, colorful and rhetorical, and thereby keep the whole audience spellbound. I hope that you will catch my point also. Thank you all.